How to create a Gate.io account. Hello everyone. Gate.io is an international cryptocurrency exchange where users can trade a wide range of digital assets. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gate.io account. To create an account and receive attractive offers from Gate.io, visit coinaz.net/gate. Or click on the Gate.io account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email address or phone number. Click Sign Up. Then, drag the arrow to the right to fit the puzzle piece into the empty slot. Gate.io just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that Gate.io just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the message. Copy the verification code. Then, paste or enter the code here. Next, create a password for your account. Make sure to read the password requirements carefully. I'll use an example password as shown on the screen. Click Confirm. You've successfully created your account. Now, let's proceed with identity verification. Click here. Click Verify now to get started. There are two verification methods, via the Gate app or directly through your browser. I'll choose to verify via the browser. Click Next. First, select your country of residence and nationality. Next, choose one of the following documents for verification: ID card, passport, and driver's license. After selecting your document, click Next. Next, enter your basic information, including your full name and ID number. Click Next. Then, choose one of these methods to complete document and facial verification. I'll choose Take Pictures with Camera. Click Next. Click here to agree to Gate.io's terms and conditions. Click Start. Select Allow to access the camera and place your document inside the frame. The next step is facial verification. Click Continue. Your documents are under review. You will be notified via email or direct message once the review is complete. To secure your account, click Security. I'll show you how to secure your account using the Google Authenticator app. Click here. There are 3 steps to successfully link Google Authenticator. First, you need to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone to scan the QR code on your computer screen. If you can't scan the QR code, you can enter this code manually. Now, I'll show you how to install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. To install the app, open the App Store on iPhone, or Google Play if you're on Android. Here, search for Google Authenticator. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. Then, click here to open the app. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. To begin, either scan the QR code, or manually enter the setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Select Allow to access the camera. This is the verification code generated by the app. Please go back to gate.io and enter this code. First, enter the email verification code. Click Send to receive it. Drag the arrow to the right to fit the puzzle piece into the empty slot. Gate.io just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email and enter the code. Next, enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Finally, click Confirm to complete the process. You've successfully enabled Google Authenticator to secure your account. I've completed the guide on creating a Gate.io account. Wishing you success.